Boilers. It's not a question of if they'll need repairs, but when. Luckily, you can rest easy knowing HVAC 911 technicians are always ready to help at a moment's notice. Boilers are essential for any home or business, heating water, creating steam, and keeping your space warm and comfortable. But like any appliance, they can develop issues that require expert attention. Leaks, pilot light failures, and unusual noises are common boiler problems. If you hear a loud gurgling or rumbling, you may be dealing with kettling, a buildup of minerals in the system that can lead to serious damage over time. When your boiler breaks down, don't wait. Our contractor referral network quickly connects you with local service techs who will fix or replace your boiler and get your home warm again fast. HVAC 911 technicians are standing by, ready to restore your heat and peace of mind. HVAC 911. Emergency HVAC service just one click away.